In this video, I will show you how to download OnlyFans app on mobile. So if you want to have your OnlyFans application on the home screen of your phone, then I'm going to show you what you need to do for that. So first of all, it is not downloadable from the Google Play Store or the App Store. So to get it either way, you need to do the following. So first of all, you need to go to your internet browser, and then from here you need to type in OnlyFans. So go ahead and fill that in, and then go ahead and click on onlyfans.com at the top. So let's click on this. And then in order to get this on your phone home screen, you need to click on the button in the bottom middle. From here, we have this option to add to home screen. So let's go ahead and click on add to home screen in here. And now we can give it a name. So I'm just going to stick to OnlyFans, and then I'm going to click on add at the top right. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see right now, we have an OnlyFans home screen application created. And right now we can just click on this when we want to start OnlyFans. So we can just click on this, and then it will automatically redirect us to OnlyFans. And this actually works the same as having a sort of app. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.